So now it's a little bit more difficult because now we got some negatives, -1 and -2. The negatives a little bit confusing. So what we do is, what you can do, look at this now, 10g plus g. What you can do is you can first add them. Okay? Yeah, you can make it 11g. 11g and then plus hr minus r squared. Okay, sometimes it's easier before you substitute to first simplify the like terms. Okay, 10g plus g is 11g. Now we can substitute. So now we can say -1 goes in the place of g. So it's going to be 11 times -1. Okay? So you put it in brackets because of the negative. If it's negative, it looks funny if it's 11 times -1 without a bracket. So you put in the brackets just to make it a bit neater. Okay? Now with this one, h equal to 2, but now I get hr. So we're going to say plus h 2 times r -2. So you can put it in brackets. So you don't even need to multiply. Okay? You see, yeah, I put the multiply in, but you don't even need that because brackets means multiply. So it's 2hr 2 times -2.
What about the exponent to answer?
Yeah, we're going to look at that now. So now r is -2, so it's going to be -2 squared. So look carefully here. There's a negative already. You see, there is a negative, and then r must also be -2. So it's negative, and then r is -2 squared. Okay, so we're going to have 11 times -1 is -11 for this. 2 times -2 is -4 minus, and now, yeah, but remember -2 squared is -2 times -2, which is +4. Okay, so it's going to be +4. But what about that negative there? It stays there. The negative was there already. If I just look at that, what is that? -2 squared is 4. But then that negative stays in the front. Okay, so we got -11 minus 4 minus 4. So that gives you -19. -19.